there's a lot going on, but there's not a lot to talk about. You know what I mean? The date. We haven't made a video in like 2 weeks, or at least 2, maybe 3. The reason is because this whole building's getting renovated and it's slow. We haven't really had a chance to do much development because the area where the dyno is has been like in and out of commission. This unit is almost done. They're like doing the drywall, and this is going to be our this is going to be a detail shop, so it'll be kind of cool when it's done. The reason we haven't made a vlog in a couple weeks is because of all that. And while we've been not making vlogs, we've gotten like a little bit of things done, namely the bus.
Ready?
So this bus is going to be an EV swap for our other company that Edson's working on stuff for, which is all of our EV chargers. And then the motor's on the top. Did you show them the motor already or no? No? We'll show it to them later. Reese is driving the Mark 8, doing some logs on it. Trying to figure out, well, not trying to figure out, but just logging our 91 octane file because they've made a lot of progress on that. But yeah, this is the state of the actual shop, which is not really like a shop at all at this point. All this crap has to go back over there. And this is supposed to be just empty and just have our development vehicles parked in here, which currently obviously can't happen. So all the development vehicles are parked in another area for the next foreseeable future. Actually, for the flash of the light, the beta went live. So we've got a bunch of, probably some of you guys, but a bunch of people on that right now testing out our new tool, making sure that it works on the MQB platform that we developed it with. And then we'll be releasing the 18T beta program soon. So anyone with a 18T, IS38, IS20, or bigger turbo, we'll have a beta ready for you guys soon, which we'll probably post up in some of the Facebook groups and on our website. And if you want to get on that, get a super sweet deal on software and try it out, that'll be live soon. We're seeing like really good numbers with this car. All the multi-map stuff will be supported when we release the beta for the 18T guys. So that's pretty exciting too. But other than that, that's all we've really been up to since the last video. Hopefully the next video will actually be more proper development and actually Reese on the camera instead of me explaining why we're not posting videos. So yeah. All right, so now I guess I'll just edit that. I'll edit this vlog so that they can watch this.